Hello, Longisa. Today in Hawaii, while we're waiting for our luau, we decided to play some golf, and it's a lot of bug in here, but it's okay, no problem. And my son like it. Whatever make him happy. The girlfriend and the my boy, my baby, and another baby. Ooh, you guys see all this bug? It's hot. Ooh. It's a lot. I don't know why a lot of bug in here. Oh, and then you see airplane right there. Bye bye. You're going home. See you next time. Come back and visit Hawaii again. And then a lot of people in here. Over there is for people to learn. Mainly like Japanese kids. They come here and learn to have fun. And over here, that's what we do. Well, that's what they do, not me. I don't do anything because I don't know how to do anything. And then you know you have to love the Hawaii flower, those kind of flower. Poor girl, she's like too many bugs. Don't know where they come from. Why are they here? I think maybe they want to play golf too. I'm not sure. Ooh, don't bite me. Okay, let's see how they do. Whoa, you guys see that? Whew. Look. Look. Whoa, it's just right there. Ah, too bad. They have restaurant up there, and then they have golf cart right here, and then they have all this, and I don't feel like walking well. It's so hot. It's 91 degrees over here, and a lot of bug. People are eating upstairs, and there's some water there. Those houses are beautiful house. Maybe they live. Oh shoot! Just one in my mouth. Okay, thank you for watching. Oh my God, a lot of bug. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.